if I were to tell you that matter can exist with a negative mass, hypothetical particles that we can barely conceive in our mind? This entity of the future is called exotic matter, and it's composed of what you would call non-baryonic matter. Basically, if you were to look into any atom, you would find the baryonic particles of a neutron and a proton, and they're called baryons because of the fact that each of them have 3 cores. Exotic matter exists at the ends of our universe alongside dark matter, where these non-baryonic clumps come together with high negative energy densities in order to create spikes in the space-time fabric. When Einstein proposed the theory of general relativity, he also proposed the theory of gravitational lensing. This theory predicts sheets of space-time extending across the universe, and this is how we conceive gravity as a force, where objects with mass create downward trends proportional to their magnitude in a plane of space-time. With exotic matter, imagine the same scenario but upside down. We see a great spike in the sheet rather than a downward abyss, and the center of the negative mass will be a relative maximum, which will cause entities to move away from the spike rather than towards it. This is why exotic matter can resist our conception of gravity. While gravity draws inward, the exotic force only pushes outward. However, before you begin to think where you can find such matter, it's important to mention how volatile the conception of exotic matter truly is. It doesn't really obey one standard model, but rather operates in many different forms, some of which we can experimentally derive even at this point in laboratories, while others we do not have the technology to yet be able to utilize. Exotic matter opens up the possibility for countless quantum applications, with 2 being traversable wormholes and Alcubierre drive. Alcubierre drive involves creating 2 pockets in space-time continuum that face opposite directions, which can theoretically create infinite velocity. Exotic matter can also hold wormholes open through their repulsion, allowing us to travel from one place to another in an instant. Exotic matter holds the potential to completely revolutionize our society and transform it or reshape it into an interstellar civilization, where humans can possibly travel across space-time and expand the bounds of what we even believe to be possible in the future.